Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about Clutter Stop 365. That means 365 days a year, we clutter stop 3 times a day. That sounds daunting, doesn't it? But it's not. It's simply looking around to see what was left out since the last time we clutter stopped. So if you're clutter stopping in the morning, at lunch, and before bed, which is ideal, then it's only a couple of hours between each time that you can say, little Johnny left his shoes out, I left my purse on the table, and my husband left the dog leash on the chair. Let's get those put up. It'll be more than that probably, but you get the idea. And eventually doing it over and over and over again, you will end up with no clutter at Clutter Stops. Because you will learn, and your family will learn, that nope, mom's going to come get me to put my shoes in the bedroom. I better put them in the bedroom. I better hang the dog's leash on the hook. I better put my purse where it's designated in my bedroom, or whatever. So we do declutter, we do clutter stop 365 days a year, but it's not that hard, and it's not even hard at all. It keeps the clutter from building up and building up until we can't breathe. And then we think, well, what's the use of doing this for 15 minutes a week? I'm never going to get it done. This is keeping it at bay so that that 15 minutes is the dripping of water that wears away stone. Make it a great day.